My 1994 Acura Integra. The problem that I'm having right now is that it's pulling to the right, and also I did a axle replacement, and it's probably also causing the pull to the right. So I'm gonna fix the toe on this car, and the toe is the angle of this front wheels. You know, you want a little bit of a toe in this way. I'm gonna adjust the toe so it doesn't pull to the right. First thing that I need to do is make sure the steering wheel is pointed straight. Then I've got a straight edge, this 2x4, and I'm going to put it against the front wheel. So the 2x4 is hitting the back part of the wheel as well as the front. Then I go to the back of the car and take a look at a piece of wood and kind of eye it, and if you can see a angle, and right now it's towing in slightly. Okay, same thing on the passenger side. We get the board about centered across the middle of the wheel, and then we press the board against the front part of the tire and also the back. Okay, so on the passenger side, it's really pointed straight, so I have to do a slight toe in, maybe 1/8 of an inch front of the tire in, since it's also pulling to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna, to gain access to the tie rod, the adjustable tie rod, I'm gonna take the front wheel off. This will make it a lot easier. Well, I've taken the wheel off, and here's the tie rod, and I have to loosen this, and I will make the adjustments right here, spinning this, but I have to get this lock nut loose. I'll put some penetrant in there. Okay, the direction it comes off is this way. So I'm gonna do a few turns here. Yeah, the problem with this lock nut was that it was stuck onto the inner tie rod. It would just move with the inner tie rod, so I had to break this lock nut away from the inner tie rod. And what I did was I got a 14mm wrench right here, popped it in there, 14mm wrench, and then at the same time I got my crescent wrench to turn this. I put some grease in this area, so now the lock nut moves freely without turning the inner tie rod. This inner tie rod, and make it go out a little bit. And I'm going to use a 14mm wrench to do that. So I'm on a test drive, and I made sure that I inflated the tire. I've got the same pressure on the front wheels, both tires. I've got the steering wheel straightened, and I'm checking if it's drifting. I've got to get to some straight road here. I've got the steering wheel relatively straight, and it looks like it's now pulling to the left a little bit. We have to straighten the steering wheel, Based on our test drive, we know that the car is veering slightly to the left. The front wheels should have a slight toe in, but since it's veering to the left, we have to back that off just a slight bit, and we'll do a quarter turn adjustment on the inner tie rod. So we made the adjustment, and I will put the wheel back on and go for another test drive. Trying to keep the steering wheel straight. So the final thing I have to do is tighten this lock nut. So I have to hold this, the 14 millimeter, at the same time turn this lock nut.